Temperature. What is temperature? Some days make you sweat, other days make you shiver. Temperature is the measure of how hot or cold it is outside. Measuring temperature. Temperature is measured in degrees Fahrenheit or degrees Celsius. A thermometer is a tool that measures temperature. A thermometer is a scale. Liquid inside moves up and down. The liquid expands when it gets hot. The liquid takes up less space when it is cool. Hot temperatures. Some places can reach 100 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Death Valley in California is one of the hottest places on Earth. Sometimes extreme heat lasts for days in a row. This is called a heat wave. People must not stay outside for too long. Heat stroke can happen. Cold temperatures. In cold climates, temperatures often drop below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. One of the coldest cities is Oymyakon, Russia. A sudden stretch of cold weather is called a cold spell. Wind makes the cold feel even colder. This is called wind chill. It is a good idea to stay inside on freezing days. The other option is to cover up for the cold. Frostbite can hurt bare skin. Checking forecasts. Meteorologists guess high and low temperatures every day. Check their forecasts to know how to dress for the weather. Life in a coral reef. The coral reef biome. Coral reefs are among the world's most colorful biomes. Many beautiful plants and animals live there. Tube-shaped animals called coral polyps build up reefs over time. They grow hard skeletons and attach to those of dead corals. Most coral reefs lie in the warm tropics. There are 3 main types of tropical reefs. Fringing reefs stretch along shores. Barrier reefs are farther out. Ring-shaped atolls rise from sunken islands. The climate. Tropical coral reefs have a warm climate. The sun shines through the clear, shallow salt water. Water temperatures usually stay between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 and 29 degrees Celsius. Too much wind and rain can move rocks and mud into shallow reefs. The clear water becomes cloudy. Then less sunlight reaches reef plants. This can affect the whole coral reef food chain. The plants. Tiny algae grow all over warm coral reefs. The algae live inside of coral polyps. The animals and algae trade gases they need to live. Larger algae, called seaweeds, color coral reefs. Red seaweeds grow in deeper water than green ones. Their color helps them capture more sunlight. Meadows of seagrass often form around coral reefs. They provide animals with food to eat and nurseries for babies. Near some reefs, mangroves grow. These trees have special roots. They are able to separate water from salt. The animals. Coral reefs are full of strange creatures. Colorful bodies let many blend in with the reefs. This helps them hunt or hide. Flat animals move through tight spaces. Pointed ones protect themselves or poke their food. Other animals have suction cups to stay put. Many reef animals need one another to survive. Some offer safe places to live. Others share their food. Some fish and shrimp are cleaners. They remove dead skin and parasites from larger animals. The Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef